Iqela iJVW lasungulwa kumdlalo webanyana banyana uJanine van Wyk kwaye liqela lathatha iNational Soccer League Championship ekupheleni kuka-2019. Eliqela khange likwazi ukudlala kokuqala kwiNational League ngenxa yengxaki ze-COVID-19 kwakunye nokumiswa kwentshukumo kweli.
It was very hard that we're not playing, we're just sitting at home, we don't do anything. Even though the coach gave us the program that we must train at home, but you know when you train alone it's very difficult.
We were so excited to qualify, but COVID came, but it was no one's fault. I mean, it was a global thing. But now I think we're so excited to be back. When we first heard that we can resume back to training, we were all excited, and I think all of us, we're hungry to play, and we can't wait.
Kodwa indaba ezimnandi zezokuba ingavunyelwa imidlalo yabasetyhini ukuba iqale kwakhona kule nyanga izayo.
I think everyone is happy and we're very excited that finally we're going to play the SAFA Women's League with the likes of Sundowns, TET and UWC.
Now we're going to be on television, so I think with the sponsors and everything, we're getting that exposure that we need. Also for the players that are not part of the national team, they're getting that exposure as well, so I think it's something that we're looking forward to.
Injongo zaliqela kukhulisa umdlalo webhola ekhatywayo yabasetyhini kweli.
From now on, we mustn't drop our standard. We have to qualify for another World Cup. So from now on, I think everyone must be hungry so that we can qualify again to go to the World Cup.
Ukuzifumanela indawo kubanyana banyana kwindebe yehlabathi kwanyanzelisa abasemagunyeni kuba bayithathele ingqalelo ibhola ekhatywayo yabasetyhini kweli.